Good day everyone. My name is Mitra Paramasiva, metric number F2037.
My name is Pamina Nair Sivanathan, my metric number F2036.
Today we're going to present a case study about computer architecture and troubleshooting techniques.
Today we will explain about the situation, the problems and the solutions.
So let's get into the video. This case study refers to computer architecture and troubleshooting techniques. In this presentation, we will discuss 3 common real-life computer problems that may occur in a computer lab or a personal computer environment. These problems include internet connection issues, system performance, and hardware failure during startup. Moreover, for each case, we will identify the problem, analyze the possible causes and purpose, the suitable solution by using proper troubleshooting methods. This presentation mainly to demonstrate how systematic problem-solving steps can be used to resolve computer-related issues. For our first case study, a computer laboratory at a college has recently installed several new desktop computers. After installation, some students report that most of the computers cannot access the internet. The problem of our first case is most of the new installed computers in computer laboratory are unable to access the internet. For the troubleshooting steps, first is identify the problem where most computers in the lab cannot access the internet after installation. And for the second step, establish a theory of probable causes. Network cable not properly connected, incorrect IP address DNS gateway, switch or router malfunction, network settings blocking access, and the last one, disable network adapter. And the third step is test the theory. In that, check LAN cable and Wi-Fi connection, run IP config to verify IP address, pick a website by pick google.com, test internet on another computer, and the fourth step is establish a plan of action and implement by setting IP to automatic. And the fifth step is verify full system functionality. And the sixth step is document findings by note the solution and record the issues. And the conclusion for this case study is the issues is mainly caused by network configuration or hardware connection problems. By following systematic troubleshooting steps, the internet connectivity can be restored back. Now, for the second case, the situation is when someone is using his computer, he noticed that its performance is decreased and sometimes freezes. After checking Windows Task Manager, disk usage shows 100% usage and he must close some running application before the computer can run smoothly. In case 2, it shows that there have some system performance problem. For the troubleshooting steps, for the first, identify the problem. Confirm slow performance and 100% disk usage in Task Manager. Establish a theory of probable causes. Too many background applications running due to high disk usage, and also malware or virus infection. For the step 3, test the theory. For the theory, check the Task Manager for high-risk usage apps, delete the unnecessary files, and end the task. It also runs antivirus scan. For the steps, you need to open the task manager, look under process tab, identify unknown programs, for example, using very high disk, 70% to 90% disk. At last, you need to review the startup programs. For the fourth step, you need to establish a plan of action and implement. Upgrade hardware, which is SSD or RAM if needed. It is the faster speed and no freezing. For the fifth step, you need to verify full system functionality. The first step, you need to restart the computer. The second step, you need to open multiple applications. For the third step, check the task manager disk usage to normal, which is 100%, and make sure system runs smoothly without any freezing problem. And for this last sixth step, document finding, which is we need to record the causes this problem and document the solution. The conclusion of this case 2 is the mainly caused by excessive disk usage due to software or hardware limitations. By identifying high usage processes and optimizing the system, performance can be significantly improved.
And for the third case study, one of your clients is reporting there are beep sound upon turn on computer and the computer failed to start properly. According to your service record list, you have serviced the machines recently and replaced the random access memory called RAM. Now he sent back to you to solve the problem.
In this case 3, it shows that hardware failure. For the troubleshooting steps, for the first, identify the problem, which is computer making beep sound when you turn on. Computer fails to start properly, no boot, and issue happening after RAM replaced. For the second step, establish a theory of probable causes. It shows that RAM didn't install it properly, faulty RAM module, dusty or damaged RAM slots, and motherboard issues. For the third step, test the theory. We need to reset RAM properly, test RAM one by one, use different RAM module, and inspect motherboard.
Fourth step is establish a plan of action and implement the solution. Clean RAM slots. And the fifth step is verify full system functionality by confirm that the system boots successfully into operating systems. And the last step is document findings. It is record the identified issues and document the troubleshooting steps and repairs performed. Following by conclusion, the issue is mainly caused by improper RAM installation. By checking, cleaning and testing the system can be restored to normal operation.
We would like to summarize our conclusion. All three cases demonstrate that common problems related to computer systems involving hardware, software, and networking components. In case 1, it shows that network connection issues. In case 2, it shows poor system performance due to high disk usage. And final case shows hardware failure, which is caused by improper RAM installation.
By using a structured troubleshooting methods, each issues can be resolved perfectly. These three cases prove that using simple troubleshooting steps, the problems can be identified and solved easily to keep the computer running smoothly.
That's all from us. Bye!